Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Gimli the Outdoorsman. My name is Alex, and we're out here on Small Lake in South Jersey. It's one of my favorites. It's January, I want to say 7th. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's about 38 degrees outside. It's a little cold to be out here fishing, but as always, in the spirit of fishing and having fun outdoors, here I am. Not sure how long I'm going to be out here today, but I figured, you know what, give my new fishing rod a try and just see where it takes me. Obviously, since it's the winter time, the bass are going to be very slow. I spent a lot of time in here. This duck's flying in the air. That's what I'm looking at. Spent a lot of time here in the spring and the summer. I'm going to try to stay out of the back little bays like in this. Chances are fish are going to be deeper. So I'm going to get my rod out and just get fishing. Usually I just stuff this underneath it here. It stays there pretty good usually. So this is my new rod setup. This is a Shimano Corrado 200 HG on a St. Croix Mojo bass rod. I just got this on sale from Bass Pro Shops. This is my second Baitcaster that I own. So I'm a little bit, just a little bit coordinated with the Baitcaster. I wouldn't say I'm an expert at it quite yet, but I think I'm getting quite the hang of it. Right now, what I got on this, I got a Storm Shad, and then I have also other lures, a couple some suspending jerk baits and some more swim baits, so we'll see how it goes. Just like that, like I said, I'm no expert at it. Got to get used to doing the bait casting stuff again. It's been a while since I actually casted a fishing pole. Oh man, look at that. First real cast of the video, and I already ended up with a bird's nest. This one was able to get picked through pretty easy. Okay, let's just bring that back in and try again. In this lake, there's largemouth and pickerel. Oh, there's my beaver friend. He's sitting right here on the corner. Now, I can't tell you how many times I ran into Mr. Beaver here, right here, straight out on the point. A couple times he'd even come up to my kayak and slap the water next to me, and yep, there he goes. He just went under. And if my good friend Cody watches this video, he knows I do not mess around with the beaver. So I'm just gonna go out to the middle of the lake, fish this nice and deep. Very calm out here today. Water level has been increasing. It actually rained pretty hard last night, so no wonder why the water's so high. I've seen this lake with water levels. You see where the grass is. I've seen shoreline on this lake many times. I've even seen this lake completely drained one year. A little bit. The bass in these lakes aren't, this lake isn't, they're not massive. A lot of dinks, sub pounders. I've caught a handful of 2-pounders out of here. My biggest one I've ever caught was over here in this corner. I caught him on a wacky rig. And he was, I think, 4 pounds, 10 ounces. I'll put a picture in the video. Oh, I'm getting used to it again. I'll tell you what, I'm definitely used to standing up a lot more when I'm fishing. We do have a little John boat that my father and I use. Put a little electric motor on it. Here in New Jersey, you can't have gas motors on boats on all but 2 lakes in the state. Oh, I'm on. No, he popped. Drag's too loose. Like I said, these bass in here are pretty tiny for the most part, so they're not going to be super. Definitely wasn't a pickerel. There's no real big teeth marks on it. Toss it back that way and see if I can't pull something out. Well, at least the sun's starting to come up a little bit. Definitely a little bit of weight, a little bit easier to cast. Alright guys, even though I just tied this on, I think I'm gonna call it. I'm pretty cold. It's January, it's raining. Doing this just gave me an excuse to just put the GoPro on and take you guys for a trip. But hopefully you all enjoyed what little time that I spent on the road. I mean, not on the road, but on the lake. Definitely you guys will be seeing more of this lake. It's when spring and summertime comes around. Be thrown around mostly probably a Texas Rig Senko or a wacky rig. And then also be throwing just, you know, standard spinner baits or crankbaits or broken backs, maybe some topwater action. Definitely want to get into frog fishing, so I want to find more lakes that has lily pads. This place does have lily pads, but not as much as I'd like to try to go do some frog fishing. But yep, that'll be it, guys. I'm gonna go paddle myself over back to the ramp now. Thanks for watching if you stuck around, and have a great day.